Thinking about adding an eRide bike to your bicycle collection? Maybe you want to be able to ride further or keep up with faster friends. Or perhaps you just love new technology. These skinny tire pedal assisted rides are the latest addition to one of the fastest growing segments of bicycles. They range from bulbous looking frames with bolted on motors and batteries to integrated units that are nearly indistinguishable from their non-assisted counterparts. So in today's video, we will show you the 7 best electric road bikes for 2021 that you can have to make your trip more fun and responsive. So without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
The new Bianchi Aria eRide is a true road bike with just enough level of assistance and great handling that enables you to expand your limits. The secret lies in its frame. The Aria's carbon frame and aero optimization makes it a favorite for speed merchants on the road. It packs the latest X35 version 2 rear hub motor, which produces 40 Nm of torque, offering optimum power assistance at speeds between 15 and 25 km per hour. Sandwiched between its beautiful frame, it has a down-tube 250 Wh battery that works well with the 3-speed assistance to get you covered on the road. No matter wherever your journey may take you, you can always monitor your e-bike status in real time from the Bike eMotion app. The Bianchi Aria eRide is the perfect solution for riders with a desire to take on long, demanding rides, selecting the extra power and speed of a trained professional only when it is needed. Durability, reliability, and comfort. Yes, that's exactly what you'll feel after the first ride you had with the Focus Paralane. Sitting on its all-aluminum frame is a 250-watt Fazua Evasion e-drive that can give you a push of up to 25 km per hour when you need a little extra support. It comes with a removable 252 Wh battery, which offers convenient charging and lasts enough to accomplish your road trip. This e-bike is also reliable and versatile as it packs disc brakes for all-weather braking, high-quality Corona fenders, and maximum tire clearance of up to 35 mm. The Paralane is the ultimate solution to any road riding and comes with the promise of transporting you along swiftly and comfortably on just about any sort of firm surface, be it tarmac or something else altogether. You want a fast electric road bike that earns top marks in style and performance? Then get yourself introduced to the Trek Domane HP. With a lightweight 500 series OC/LV carbon frame, Bosch Performance Speed motor, and 500 Wh battery, it can take you far and fast. Even reaching top speeds of up to 45 km per hour, you can always stay wear-free and can rely on its hydraulic disc brakes without any hesitation. It has also got fork with front and rear ISO speed, which absorbs fatiguing bumps in the road for a faster, smoother, and more comfortable ride. The Domane HP opens doors to new road adventures. This e-bike showcases the best in new tech and advanced electric bike design. It is capable, stable, fast, and a whole lot of fun. Fast, just got even faster, as the Cannondale SuperSix EVO Neo 3 is a lightweight e-bike for people seeking a pure, high-performance road bike experience with a boost. Its frame features highly truncated airfoil tube shapes that offer the same weight and better stiffness than round tubes while reducing drag up to 30%. It comes with a Mayhill e-bike motion drive system that uses a lightweight 250-watt rear hub motor and a hidden 350-watt battery to provide you 3 levels of just right for up to 100 kilometers. This e-bike's safe micro suspension delivers an elegantly smooth ride, while its 45mm ultra-fast, low-drag, wide rim profile maintains high aerodynamic efficiency even with big tires. Experience smooth road biking like never before with the Cannondale SuperSix EVO Neo 3 and spice up the journey with an elegant design. Refined elegance meets restrained power. The Cube Agree Hybrid Series isn't just a new road bike, it's a new kind of road bike for your journey. By using the premium C62 carbon and advanced twin mold construction technique, they succeeded in fully enclosing the drive unit and battery in an elegant down tube, so most people will not even notice you're riding an e-bike. Its true axles on the front and rear and a carbon-bladed fork with tapered steer contribute to a torsionally rigid structure, so pedal response is instantaneous and steering is accurate and intuitive. With a powerful motor, battery, and a rigid frame, the Cube Agree Hybrid Series is that kind of e-bike that you'll always want to ride more and some more. The specialized Turbo Creo SL Comp Carbon is the lightest e-bike in its class, literally kilograms lighter than the competition. Not only does the lightweight and stiff Fact 11 R carbon frame inspire dancing on the pedals and diving into corners, but it also reduces overall system weight and increases the range. It doubles your effort with as much as 240 watts of silent and powerful assistance to amplify your ride. The motor's responsive torque curve delivers power perfectly in tune with a normal riding cadence and leaves no resistance while riding unassisted. Battery anxiety? Not on the Creo XL, cause with up to 80 miles of range from the internal battery, this little beast eats up big miles and long days. And by connecting with Mission Control app, you'll be able to tune the SL 1.1 motor to your riding style, record rides, and monitor the battery. With the Feature Shock 2.0 and all the power to flatten mountains, laugh at headwinds, and go further than you ever thought possible. It's you, only faster. With a frame weight of just 1.04 kg and a complete bike weight of 10.75 kg, the Addict eRide sets a new benchmark in the road electric assist category. Packed with a powerful 250-watt motor, the Addict can provide assistance up to 25 miles per hour, after which it becomes a regular road bike. For excellent range, it comes with a 208-watt battery, and with a range booster, you can double your battery's range by adding an additional 208-watt battery. With the same HMX great frame and fork, it packs an excellent pair of suspensions for a smooth ride, and yes, it has also got an Eng+ compatible computer onboard to monitor your performance. The perfect combination of Bluetooth 4.0 and e-bike motion app will let you have the bag of information such as accurate battery level, distance traveled, altitude, average speed, cadence, and much more. The Scott Addict eRide is the world's lightest e-bike that has been designed to make climbs higher, longer, and steeper. So that was all about the 5 best electric road bikes for 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you really found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.